How to change YouTube language on mobile. Open YouTube application on your device and then log in or sign in to your account. Tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on settings or gear icon at the top right corner to access the settings page. Now tap on general option. Scroll down and select app language. Currently, the app language has been set to the system default or the English language. When you scroll down, you will see different languages. You can select any one as per your region and your choice. And once you have done that, tap on Change button. And that's how we can easily change YouTube language on mobile. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.